Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn listening English with a story. The Hiking Hamster Family. In a cozy burrow under a big oak tree lived a happy hamster family. There was a father hamster, a mother hamster, an eldest hamster child, and a youngest hamster child. They were a very active and adventurous family. One bright morning, Father Hamster announced, "Let's go on a big hiking and camping trip this weekend." The hamster children cheered with excitement. Hiking and camping? Yay! Mother Hamster smiled, knowing it would be a wonderful family adventure. The hamster family packed their backpacks with camping gear, yummy snacks, and a map of the mountain trails. They set off early, walking out of their burrow and towards the sunny forest trail. The hiking trail started gently, but soon became steeper, going uphill. Father and Mother Hamster encouraged the children. "Keep going, we're almost there." The family puffed and panted a little, but kept climbing. As they hiked, the eldest hamster child, who was very observant, suddenly pointed. "Look, a hidden path!" He had spotted a small, less-traveled trail leading deeper into the woods. "Let's explore it," suggested the youngest hamster child excitedly. The family decided to take the hidden path. It was narrower and more winding, full of new sights and smells. They felt like true explorers discovering something new. After hiking for a while, they reached a beautiful viewpoint overlooking the valley. It was the perfect spot for lunch. The hamster family spread out their picnic blanket and enjoyed sandwiches and juicy berries with a stunning view. Refueled and rested, the family continued their hike in the afternoon sun. The trail led them through dappled sunlight and shady groves. They walked together, chatting and laughing as they enjoyed the forest around them. Suddenly, the trail led them to a clear, sparkling stream. "Let's cross it," said Father Hamster. Carefully, they hopped from stone to stone, crossing the cool, flowing water. The children splashed a little and giggled. As evening approached, they arrived at a perfect camping spot, a flat clearing surrounded by tall trees. The family worked together to set up their small tent. It was cozy and snug inside. As darkness fell, Father Hamster built a crackling campfire. The family gathered around the warm fire, roasting marshmallows and enjoying the peaceful sounds of the forest night. Sitting by the campfire, Father Hamster began to tell exciting stories of mountain adventures and brave hamster explorers. The children listened with wide eyes, captivated by his tales. Later, as the fire died down to glowing embers, the family looked up at the night sky. It was filled with thousands of bright stars, far away from city lights. They pointed out constellations and made wishes on shooting stars. The next morning, they woke up to the sound of birds singing. After a breakfast of granola and fruit, the family packed up their camp and started their morning hike, aiming for the mountain summit. The final climb to the summit was steep, but they encouraged each other. Finally, they reached the very top. They cheered and celebrated, feeling proud of their accomplishment. From the mountain summit, they could see an amazing panoramic view. Rolling hills, green forests, and sparkling lakes stretched out as far as they could see. The hamster family felt on top of the world. After enjoying the view and taking photos, they began their hike downhill. The downhill walk was easier, but their legs were a little tired from the long day of hiking. They walked happily, side by side. As evening came, the hamster family arrived back at their cozy burrow, tired but happy. They unpacked their backpacks, warmed up with hot cocoa, and snuggled together, content and filled with wonderful memories of their active family adventure. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.